Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. Johnny Mac here, the gravy guy. It's Saturday, so I'm going to walk you through another homemade sauce. This week's recipe is a coconut curry sauce, so let me show you how to make it. Round up a saucepan, put it over medium heat, and add 2 tablespoons or 15 milliliters of coconut oil. If you don't have any coconut oil, any neutral oil will do. Once the oil is hot, add 2 tablespoons of minced ginger. Hit the spice rack and drop in 2 tablespoons of curry, half of a tablespoon of cumin, and half of a tablespoon of turmeric. For this step of the sauce making process, you're going to bloom the spices. In other words, you're going to fry the spices in oil to help release their flavor and disperse their flavor throughout the sauce a little bit more evenly. Frequently mix and cook it for about 30 seconds. Once it's right where you want it to be, grab 4 garlic cloves, mince them, and add them to the mix. Remember those meals that made you feel at home? Well, they're back with the Sauce and Gravy channel's second cookbook, Comfort Foods Made Simply. Filled with scratch-made classics you'll be proud to serve. Creamy sauces, slow simmered flavor. No cans, no shortcuts, just real cooking. Step-by-step recipes, real ingredients, and QR codes to transport you to free video tutorials to help guide you. Cook with confidence, share with love. These are the meals they'll never forget. See the link in the video's comment and description section to order now. Real comfort starts now. Mix the garlic in and cook it for about 20 to 30 seconds. If you like your sauces hot, you might consider adding some red pepper flakes or even some cayenne pepper to give it a little bit of a kick. I'm not going to add any to this recipe, but it's homemade. You can make it how you like it. Moving right along, snag your coconut milk. I'm using a 13.5 ounce or 400 milliliter can of coconut milk. Use a spatula or spoon, scraping the sides and bottom of the pan to make sure that curry mixture is well incorporated into the coconut milk. Your burner should be over medium to high heat. Give it a quick stir. Add 2 teaspoons of granulated white sugar and give it a mix. Bring it to a simmer. Once it starts to simmer, you can reduce the heat to low and reduce down for 8 to 10 minutes until the coconut curry sauce is as thick as you like. So check it out. After the allotted cooking time, this is what you've got. It's rich, it's thick, the spices, the ginger, the garlic, they've all dispersed their flavors throughout the sauce. The sauce, it coats the back of the spoon, but oh, we're not quite done yet. Take the sauce off heat and add 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters of freshly squeezed lime juice. Then pour in 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters of soy sauce. I'm using low sodium soy. Give it a quick 360 to make sure that everything is well combined. At this point in the sauce making process, you have 2 choices. 1, you can have a chunky sauce by leaving the garlic and ginger in, or 2, you can have a smooth sauce by straining it out into a clean saucepan. Either way, you can't go wrong. For today's coconut curry sauce, I'm going to make it nice and smooth. And that's all there really is to it. That's how you make a delicious coconut curry sauce. One that can be drizzled over the top of rice, beans, meat, poultry, you name it. I especially love it over chicken. Thank you so much for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. I hope that you found this sauce recipe helpful, and if you did, hey, share it with your friends. They might find it useful too. Thanks again for watching, and until next Saturday, remember it's just you, me, and the sauces. Keep whisking, y'all.